After a long wait, here is the most awaited event of the year, Expo 2020. Expo 2020 का इंतजार हुआ खत्म और एक स्पार्कलिंग इवेंट के साथ एक्सपो हो गया शुरू. Come for the greatest global gathering in history with more than 190 countries and cultures under one roof. So let's visit the Expo 2020 together and let's make our world more clean, green, and more livable. So our coming generations will have a happy, healthy, and blessed life. It's our time.
It is okay to record? Video recording okay? Thank you. This is the TERRA. Alice. Yeah, please. Into the desert. Don't mind, can I record it?
Yeah, yeah.
Thank you.
I'll put it into the green zone because the green zone is for sustainability.
Okay, can I record you?
Yes.
Okay.
Should I say it again? Should I say it again?
please.
Okay, yes. So I'll put it into the green zone because green zone is for sustainability.
Oh,
here
great,
in
great.
Expo.
That's great. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Please.
Okay, great.
Then we use the water to water our garden as well.
So you are saying that this was
The largest steel statue
in the world.
in the world.
Wow. Thank you.
You're welcome.
to know. It's about the stones and
Crystals, yeah. Crystal with that one with touch of gold. It's a real gold also with 18 karat, 24 karat.
okay.
This one also it's a crystal one, crystal glass with a diamond inside.
Diamond?
Yeah,
Oh.
engraved with the diamond.
Oh, engraved with
Yeah.
diamond.
We are also selling some watches. If you want, you can have a look.
Ah.
And we have also scarf.
Scarf.
You can give to your wife.
Yeah. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
अगर आपको ये व्लॉग इन्फॉर्मेटिव लगी हो तो लाइक एंड शेयर करना मत भूलिएगा और हमेशा की तरह मेरे और चैनल के सपोर्ट और मोटिवेशन के लिए सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कर दीजिएगा ताकि आप चैनल से जुड़े रहें और आगे आने वाले ढेरों एक्सपो 2020 के वीडियोस अपलोड होते ही आपको नोटिफिकेशन मिल जाए। अगर आपका कोई भी सवाल या फीडबैक हो या एक लाइन अप्रिसिएशन का लिखना चाहें तो प्लीज़ कमेंट बॉक्स ज़रूर यूज़ करें। मुझे आपके कमेंट्स का इंतज़ार रहेगा। सो टिल नेक्स्ट।